Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making some spaghetti for my kids. They're sleeping, so when they wake up, they will have spaghetti for lunch. Here I have some spaghetti boiling in here. I have the spaghetti I'll be using. And I have this Classico 4-cheese spaghetti sauce. Let's get started. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I added 1 teaspoon of butter here. Add in onion, garlic, and green onion. Half a teaspoon of dry oregano. Add in some peppers, sweet peppers. Add in half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of sugar. The spaghetti already have salt when I boiled it. Add in the spaghetti sauce. A quarter cup of cream. Add in the spaghetti now. You like spaghetti,
Yes,
babe?
I love it.
This kind?
Yeah.
The long one? Looks good. Now I'll add some Parmesan cheese. Looks good, really good. Add in a quarter cup of my pasta water to make it a little watery. Like thicken the sauce. It's already thick, so I need to thin it out. That's how it looks. It looks good. Spaghetti looking good. Look at the color, it's so nice. Looks really nice. Nice color. Add in some green onion. I'll be adding this Parmesan cheese on top. Really creamy. Add in the cheese. It's log cheese in the spaghetti. Look at that, so nice. Check it out, it looks so nice. Spaghetti's all done. Looking so good and cheesy too. Very cheesy, lots of cheese inside. Looking so nice. Look at that, how cheesy it is. That's how the kids like it. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you like how my spaghetti turns out. Looking so good. Kids can't wait to eat this. Looks so yummy. They don't like meat inside. They just like it like this, vegetarian. Thanks again. Bye. So hot. Looking so good.